Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this creamy Zevia root beer. I got this at Costco, and this is the ingredients there. And take a look, and let's do a quick taste test. So far, I've tried quite a few of them, these Zevia drinks, and let's try this one, see how it tastes. Whoa, this is awesome. This is probably one of my favorites. It has like the real root beer sort of aroma and taste, and it actually tastes like a root beer. It tastes like what you would get at like A&W or something like that. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.